If you're looking to fill out a 1099 NEC form, I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to use TurboTax because it's amazing. So let's get into it. So directly from your homepage right over here, you are going to find that you'll need to be on the tax home section. Here we want to look for wages and income, and you're going to go and click on pick up where you left off, or you might have the start now button, depending on if you've already created this. All right, so once you're in here, there's a few options, and what you want to do is you're going to scroll down slightly, and you'll find it under self-employment. It's the Schedule C, and right here is the 1099 NEC. All right, and the self-employment income and expenses. Let's go and click on Start, and you'll now begin the process. So you're going to go ahead, and you can see here, you can either add another line, or you can just say Done. Over here, we're going to just click on Review. We're going to jump back into this over here. And you can see this is now our 1099 NEC. All right, so let's just say it's a side hustle over here. Let's say Continue. Let us say, no, I didn't stop. You're going to go ahead through all of these details. And you are going to make sure that you are filling out all the information correctly. Let's just say, no, I didn't, because we want to go through the process. You'll see here all of your information, and you're going to go and say, looks good. You'll see now that you'll have to add expenses for your work as well as income. And then as you go down, you're going to go ahead and click on Continue. You're going to go ahead and answer how much of your work regarding your income as a freelancer happened within the United States. Click on Continue, and you want to just make sure that you are stating if any of the work was from a former or for a former employee. So let us go ahead, and we're going to just keep it at none, and we're going to just say no, this does not apply to me, because we want to go ahead and we want to state all of our income here. And we're going to just say no here. And on this page over here, it will actually just state all your details in over here if you have put in all of the details. Of course, you have the option to skip some of the questions and you can come back to them later. But once you're done, it'll have a completed button right over here. Instead of it saying not started, it'll say completed.